I'm Aisha Adam by name, the manager of Kamshi Empire. You're making sandal balls now. So sandal balls, all you need to do is after diluting the sugar, you bring it down. So you allow the sugar to like cool down to the temperature of you being able to put your hands inside, because you're mixing it with your hands, not using any spoon or turning stick. So when you bring it down, you get your sandal powder, you pour it in a bowl. After putting it in a bowl, you put your furchi and mix. Then you pour the diluted sugar on it, on the bowl, on the ground, not on the fire. So after putting it, you bring in your oils, and then you turn it. Same process as that one, but the only thing is that sandal balls is being done down, not on the fire. It's all the same process you use in making Turaren water. It's all the same, except if you're making, okay, like sandal balls exclusive or dambu, anything dambun kajiji, be it dambun powder, anything powdered incense, you're doing it down. You're not mixing it on the fire. It's down. You just pour the sugar on it down. But kajiji, sandal flakes, coconut flakes, halud, gub gub, and the rest, it's on the fire. But sandal balls, exclusive, dambu, powdered incense, it's all down. There is time and there is measurement, yes. So before the sugar we dilute to syrup, if you're using charcoal and then there is no breeze, you have to be the one fanning it. It will last you like 20 to 25 minutes before it dilutes. But I guess if you're using firewood, it should be faster because there's fire under already. It should last like 10 to 15 minutes. So after getting the syrup texture, you put in the water and allow it to boil for like 5 minutes, and then you put in the incense. After turning that, so we have to last for like 5 minutes. So you have to be timing it. 5:15. Firewood, and I always advise firewood and charcoal because you can't use gas. I always advise people if they want to make incense, they should use charcoal or firewood because it's safer and it's outdoor. But mostly gas is indoor and you can't use it because once the sugar has diluted to a syrup texture and you put water, it usually explodes. So imagine you're using gas. So it will do more harm than good. Okay, next is how to make humrah. So humrah is there of two types. The one I use actually is the easiest, I guess. There is one that they usually put on fire to boil, but I don't do that because it's risky. You can't mix spirits and then fire because it's like it will explode. Yes. So the method I use, it's quite simple. You can be eating and then still doing it, watching movie and then still doing it. So you just get your liquid um liquid oil, the humrah water, maybe let's say scenario or Suzanne. Then after getting it, then you get your furche and then sandal powder with the musk. That is, if you're making brown humrah, you pour a little amount of sandal powder, the musk, the farce, you pour it in a particular bottle, and then you get your oils, varieties of oils, you pour it, you mix it, you set it aside. And then if you're making the mux humra, it's just the humra water, that is scenario or Suzanne. Then you put in your musk and oils, oil, perfume, amir oud, black oud, musuf. And then that's all. Your muksumra is ready. Well, all I would say is, as a lady, to the ladies out there that are doing nothing, actually depends on daddy's, mommy's money. I would just advise you. I wouldn't say us because I have something doing already. I would just say, like, you could start a business, or let's say if you're not interested in making the Turaren Wuta, not necessarily the Turaren Wuta actually, you could venture into oil perfume with as low as, maybe, the way the economy is bad, let's say 100K, and you're good to go for a start. But incense making is very nice. Your environment, your home, you yourself, like, you speak, your perfume should be able to speak your arrival. Like, let's say in the office, you don't need to, like, be sneaking around. Your perfume should be the one to announce that, okay, Aisha is in the office already, because everyone knows that's your signature. So as a lady, or let's say Islamically, they said smelling is part of the iman. So yeah, smelling nice is part of the iman.